I always throw this lip gloss on before I leave. It makes my lips look healthy and expensive. Lightweight, glossy, zero stickiness. I'm obsessed.
Welcome back to the channel. This entire product video was made in under 10 minutes using just one image. No camera, no studio, no complicated editing. What you're watching wasn't filmed, it was generated with Skywork. Today, I'm going to show you an all-in-one AI platform that can seriously boost your productivity. This tool is called Skywork AI, and it works like a smart assistant that helps you create documents, slides, websites, videos, and much more, all from one place. Whether you're a content creator, student, marketer, or business owner, this AI can save you hours of work. After logging in, you'll land on the main workspace, where all the AI tools are available in one place. Now let's get started. From the top menu, click on Videos to open the AI Video Workspace in Skywork. This is the template section in Skywork, where you can instantly create professional videos without starting from scratch. Here, you'll find ready-made templates for different use cases like perfume ads, fashion shoots, product motion, video effects, and cinematic styles. Each template is designed for a specific purpose, so you don't need any editing skills. Just select a template, upload your product image, and Skywork handles the rest. You can also filter templates by category, making it easy to find the exact style you need for ads, social media, or product promotions. This template system saves a lot of time and helps you create high-quality, cinematic videos in just a few clicks. Now let's get started. For the perfume ad, I simply enter the prompt here, describing the mood, style, and flow of the video. Once the prompt is ready, I click on Generate Video. Skywork now processes everything automatically, from visuals and camera movement to lighting and overall cinematic style. In just a few moments, the perfume ad is generated without any manual editing. After the video is generated, you can move to the editing stage. From here, I can click on Add Clip to add more elements to the video. Skywork gives multiple options. But for this step, I select Generate Voice. Now, I simply enter my voiceover prompt in the text box. Within just a few seconds, Skywork automatically generates a high-quality voice and places it directly on the timeline. As you can see, the voice is already synced with the video, so there's no need for manual alignment or extra editing.
It's not just a fragrance, it's a presence. Soft on the skin, unforgettable in the air.
This makes the entire ad creation process faster and much more professional. After the video is generated, I can fine-tune it using the built-in editing tools. From here, I can adjust the shape, crop the video, control the volume, and apply animations or filters to enhance the final look. Next, I click on Resize. Skywork already provides preset sizes for social media platforms like Instagram and Facebook. I simply choose the required format, apply it, and the video instantly adjusts to the correct aspect ratio. Once everything looks good, I click on Export Video. Skywork starts exporting the video automatically, and within a few moments, the final, ready-to-publish ad is complete. Here, I go back to the template section and select a suitable product template. Once the template opens, I can see the model and the current product in the scene, in this case, a bag, to replace the original item in the scene. After that, I enter a short description, explaining the quality and details of the product. When everything is ready, I click on Start Generating. Skywork now processes the request and automatically generates a new video using my product image and description. Within a few moments, the generated video appears on the timeline, ready for preview.
Crafted from high-quality materials with precise, flawless stitching, this bag showcases outstanding durability, a refined finish, and premium craftsmanship designed to last while maintaining a time lag.
And further editing. Now, I move on to creating a ring advertisement. I select the Cinematic Luxury Ring option, and Skywork starts generating the ad automatically. Once the ring visuals appear, I can see the close-up shots with detailed lighting and premium textures. After that, I generate the voiceover for the ring ad, and within a few seconds, the voice is ready and added to the timeline.
A symbol of love that lasts a lifetime.
The combination of cinematic visuals and voiceover gives the Ring ad a high-end, luxury feel, ready for final preview and export. So that's how easily you can create high-quality product ads with Skywork. From uploading your product image to generating cinematic visuals and professional voiceovers, everything happens in just a few clicks. If you want to try Skywork yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to create stunning ads faster and smarter. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.